Today, we perform a massive double forensic audit. We are combining two of our most critical engine failure investigations into one comprehensive report. From BMW's rod bearing scandal to the hidden traps of turbocharger engineering, this is the full data set. Downsized turbos and high RPM performance. Modern BMWs promise exhilarating driving. But in the world of automotive forensics, a failed rod bearing is a $12,000 autopsy report. Look at this microscopic debris. It's not a defect. It's the result of systemic neglect. Today, we perform a forensic audit on the evidence hidden inside the S85 V10 and 50 for inline 6, exposing the failure pathways that turn your ultimate driving machine into a paperweight. Stay investigative, because the financial solution is a $0 habit that stops the destruction. The rod bearing is the Achilles heel of high-performance BMWs, particularly M engines like the S85 and S65. They spend it over 8,000 RPM, but their oil flow relies on precision that often fails. A single moment of starvation under load turns these critical components into melted catastrophic evidence. Dealership technical service bulletins are often silent on this crisis until the warranty expires, forcing owners into catastrophic financial loss. Point 1. Microscopic debris micrograph. We analyze the early warning signatures caught on your oil filter fibers. Microscopic particles of copper, lead, and aluminum glistening in this dark oil are the forensic fingerprint of impending doom. Ignoring these signatures ensures total engine seizure. Point 2. Certified oil analysis on it. The forensic evidence comes directly from specialized oil analysis reports, like Blackstone Labs. Elevated wear metal counts in these independent tests are the definitive early warning standard of fail stamp on your financial future if not addressed proactively. Point 3. 1500 F thermal heat soak point. At extreme temperatures, operational conventional oil completely fails. This thermal image shows sustained high RPM driving, the condition that breaks the oil film in milliseconds. If you cut the oil flow now, it is instant mechanical suicide. Point 4. Catastrophic crankshaft journal score. Look at this group in the crankshaft. When the rod bearing seizes, it digs deep into the journal, requiring a total engine overhaul or, more frequently, a complete $12,000 replacement. This is the financial point of no return. Point 5. The 8 critical failure points. Our forensic audit connects these distinct engineering paths to one source: operational neglect and poor maintenance standards. We are now halfway through the evidence pathway leading to total catastrophic destruction. Point 6. Debris containment failure test. Debris from the first failing bearing travels through the engine, clogging the final line of defense, the engine oil filter. A collapsed filter, black with sludge and metal debris, ensures cascading failure signature and total engine starvation. Point 7. Cascading repair costs audit. A regular oil analysis every 3,000 miles costs $100. Neglecting the early debris signatures and waiting for a seizure costs $12,000. The ultimate financial protection is aggressive preventative maintenance and forensic monitoring. Point 8. Forensic B6 maintenance standard. Practice precise oil weight protocols, aggressive filter changes, and regular oil analysis. This is your ultimate defense against high-performance engineering traps. Guard your engine like a forensic asset. The BMW rod bearing crisis is an engineered failure pathway, but it is not inevitable. Your only defense is forensic awareness. The ultimate solution? Aggressive preventative maintenance. Use only high-intent synthetic oil of precise weight. Change filters at 3,000 miles. Gradually warm up and never hit boost before oil is hot. Guard your engine. Preserve your asset. Audit phase alpha concluded. We've deconstructed the 5 fatal triggers of turbocharger seizure. Now, we follow the forensic trail deeper into the block, transitioning to the $12,000 BMW Autopsy. We are cross-referencing induction heat with crankshaft journal scoring. This is a multi-system forensic correlation. Watch the data flow as we expose the cascading financial disaster caused by shared lubrication failures. No theories, just hard evidence. Modern manufacturers are downsizing engines but promising the same power by adding turbochargers. What they don't tell you is that your driving habits are engineering a $3,500 failure before the car hits 50,000 miles. Why do these precisely engineered components turn into money pits? Today, we perform a complete forensic audit on the evidence that dealerships are hiding. Stay investigative, because by the end, we give you the $0 habit that stops the destruction. Point 1. Carbon coating on the turbo shaft. This is absolute evidence of microscopic sandpaper. When you shut off a hot engine immediately, the oil cooks, turning this precision shaft into a weapon that grinds down the bearings. Point 2. The critical cool-down protocol. This simple habit is the difference between life and death for your turbo. Letting your car idle for 60 seconds after a hard drive allows the oil to carry the heat away, preventing the destruction seen in point 1. Point 3. 1500 degrees Fahrenheit of thermal breakdown. This isn't theoretical heat. It's operational reality. At these temperatures, conventional oil completely fails. If you cut the oil flow now, you are instant mechanical suicide. Point 4. Compressor blade erosion. This turbine is spinning at 200,000 RPM when you use cheap, poor quality air filters. Dust particles hit these delicate blades like microscopic bullets, creating a high-pitched whine that signals imminent financial ruin. Point 5. The 5 critical failures. Our forensic audit connects these distinct engineering paths to one source: operational neglect. We are now halfway through the evidence pathway leading to total destruction. Point 6. Clean synthetic versus burnt oil. This is viscosity breakdown. When your oil becomes contaminated with carbon sludge, its lubricating properties vanish. Without perfect oil film, your turbocharger cartridge seizes in milliseconds. Point 7. The financial audit. A $0 preventative cool-down habit versus a $3,500 catastrophic replacement cost. The math is chillingly simple. One costs you time, the other costs you a fortune. Point 8. The forensic maintenance standard. This checklist is your ultimate defense against small engine big power marketing traps. Check for boost leaks, use high-quality filters, monitor pressure, and always practice the protocol. Turbos are high-precision engineering marvels, but they are unforgiving. Their destruction is never sudden, it is engineered by your habits. The $0 solution is the 60-second idle. Before you shut down the engine, practice the cool-down protocol, preserve your cash, protect your engine, and always stay investigative. Thank you for watching AutoSight-G.